Hello grade 1, how are you? Welcome back to the Julie Phonics. Today we will have the O sound. What's the day today grade 1? Today is Thursday. Very good.
Oliver and Holly have moved to a new house. They have a new bedroom with bunk beds in it. Nearby is a light switch, so they can turn the light on and off by themselves when they are in bed. That night, Holly curls up with Oscar, her toy rabbit, and Oliver reads his book. "You can turn the light out when you are finished," says Dad. Oliver leans over to the light switch and turns it off. "Off it goes," he said. Then he turns it back on, saying, "On it goes." He turns the light on and off, saying, "On it goes. Off it goes. On it goes." Then he hears his dad's voice. "Stop turning the light on and off, Oliver. Turn the light off and go to sleep." Oliver turns the light off and goes to sleep.
Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Oh, 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 oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh, 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 oh.
Now grade 1, we will write the sound O. O sound is a turtle letter. So we write it from line number 2 to line number 3. We start from the point here, round, close it again, round like the K, then we close it, round like K, then we close it, again round like K, then we close it. Now grade 1, blending words. If we want to read fast, try not to pronounce sound by sound, but try to blend two sounds or more together. عندما نقرأ إذا أردنا أن تكون القراءة سريعة لا ننطق حرفا حرفا في التهجي ولكن ندمج صوتان أو أكثر. For example, so نقولها so. We don't say no لكن مرة واحدة no. bo, to, mo, ho, ko, ro, do, go. طبعا هذه ليست كلمات وهي أجزاء من الكلمة فقط. These are not words but only part of words. Now we will read full words with O sound. Hob, hop, got, got. Now we'll try to read them, all of them, one time. Dog, cut, top, knot, mop, dot, cost, sock, pond, stop. Open your phonics booklet and skills book, then write the O sound in both books. Segmenting words. Hop, o, p. Got, g, o, t. Top, t, o, p.